All right, so now as we look at the fourth situation here, as part of a scandal, it was discovered that several statements in the prospectus, remember that's just the statement on how the company's doing, for Expo Grow in Part B were false. If the company actually had 5 founders and doubles in size each year, what equation should it have printed? So if we had 5 founders, then our zero term would be 5. Okay, so we can think of this. Our zero term, which is A in our equation, is 5. Remember, our equation that we're using to model this type of growth is A times B to the X. A is your zero term. Our multiplier, or how much our company is growing by, that's going to be B. And we said it doubles this year, right? So if we look at what it actually is, it's doubling in size each year. So we're multiplying by 2. So if I were to write my equation, it would be y equals 5 times 2 to the x.